In this video, I will show you how to use Claude Chrome extension. Okay, so for this, at first you will take a new tab, simply search Claude Chrome extension. Then you will go to this Chrome Web Store, and now you can see the Claude extension is available. This is the official extension. You will simply click Add to Claude and then Add extension. Okay, so here you can see you have to authorize to your account, so that's you need to log into your account and then you will simply click authorize. Okay, so it's done. Next thing is that what you will have to do, you need to check a setting that is very important. You will back to Claude.ai, and from here you will go to your profile, click this settings, and now you can see Claude in Chrome. Here you will came it and make sure enable Claude in Chrome. You will just make sure it's turned on, and here you will give site permission. So if by default it will be default, you will make sure allow all site, and if you actually make it block all site, here you can add custom website. You can simply click add website, and then you will put the website you wanna allow Claude can access. Okay, you can upload bulk if you want, but for in general purpose you can keep it allow all sites. So that means you will give Claude permission to access websites to extract data or extract information. Okay, now you are okay. We will simply close all of these stuff and we'll take a new tab. For example, I will go with my LinkedIn, and here I will use Claude to find some jobs for me. So that's why I'll go to jobs tab, and now here you can see few jobs are available. What you will do, I will just use Claude extension. Let me pin it here, and right now you can see it. Okay, what you will do, so for example you can see this is the job page, and now I will just use Claude to search job for me. Here I will simply click this Claude icon, and now here I will click understand. You can read this, so it's very important, and I will click simply understand here. Next, next, let's go. And now here you will prompt. For example, you can upload your resume. If you don't do that, you can simply just click here and add files, and you can just upload your resume if you have any. For example, so I can put this resume for me now, and here I will just prompt anything here. I just prompt something like this. You can just use prompt based on you, and if I just click here and see, within a few seconds it starts working. Claude agent will browse the web page and extract job for you based on your requirement and your resume. Okay, at first it will read your resume and try to understand your skills, your informations, and all the other stuff. Okay, so let me wait and see how it's working. You can see it's reading my resume at the beginning, then thinking what to do, navigating linkedin.com and jobs. Here you can see it's now filtering jobs. Automatically Claude isn't working. I don't touch to my mouse point. You can see right now the mouse is here, and it will still work automatically, autonomously. You don't have to do anything here. Okay, look, it's open new pages, then it will just filter based on the last 7 days. You can see past week is selected, then from the job type it will search remote job and see. Okay, and here Claude also taking a screenshot. You can see it's also taking a screenshot. You can see selecting associate, mid and senior level to match 3 years of experience, and then so you can see it automatically working. I don't touch anything. So here you can see it's listed all the jobs that is fit with my profile, and you can just check the job by clicking this URL. So you can see that it can help you to search job and get job. So if this video helpful, just leave a comment.